Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for Sunday, 7th of August. So we're doing quite a lot for SLP right now. You do have 16 hours, 52 minutes to close the candlestick. And it seems like, we're about to close the candlestick, but not in a very good way. And instead, on a weekly time frame, you are about to close the candlestick with something known as hanging man right now. So this hanging man is not a good sign, but previously you have been able to even cross the hanging man. You actually did cross the hanging man right over there, because you can see that that was a little bit bad here, but then again you actually pushed to the upside. So I'm not saying that you cannot push to the upside. What I want to see for SOP now is to come up to 462 to break the odds. Okay, so if you do go to 462, you're going to be breaking out of a lot of things. First of all, you're going to be breaking this trend line here that is actually a resistance there. You break the resistance, go higher, come down for the retest, and you're good to go to the upside. But if I do show you a hanging man, which is the opposite of a inverted hammer, so I'm just going to write again hanging man candlestick right there. And what you can see right here is something like this. Okay, so you have that trend up like that one, and you do have that one small candlestick just the same way you have here. So that was your uptrend right there, and then you just print it out here, and you can see that after that the trend actually reverses to the downside. So from next week you have to be careful. If you're not breaking up like this, then you're going to go down. And keep in mind, you have a rising wedge right here. So flash news is that rising wedges are actually bearish, they're actually negative. So that's exactly what you're doing. And you do have bearish Harami candlestick on the daily right now. So these are all the recipes that are cooking on to actually pop to the downside. And then you can see that SOP can drop to 356 level, which is going to be the technical target of the rising wedge here. So let's go to Google again and write rising wedge, just like that. What the hell am I doing? All right, rising wedge, just like that. All right, boom. So this is the image exactly that I want to show you. So that's the future indicator right now. Okay, so come down, make sideways, pop to the downside, and then boom, you just continue down. So that's exactly what you have right now for SOP, and that's a bearish pattern. So be very, very super careful. We might really end up dropping to the downside again. And that's it for today's quick update on SOP. I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.